we are going to talk about present perfect and past simple. We are going to do a comparison between these two tenses. To talk about them, we have to illustrate how they function in matter of time. If you can see here, the past simple tense it's related only with the past. Here you have like an image that represents that the past simple is only talking about past, finished actions, action that pass, finish, and that's it. But in present perfect, we have a connection from past to now. We have like this, if you have like a link, like a chain from past to now. Let's see an example with past simple. I live in Korea for 2 years. So you live it there only for 2 years. The action finished, the action dies, and that's it. But in present perfect, I have lived in Korea for 2 years. What happens? You start living there from 2 years till now. So the action is still affecting you from past to now. So that's the meaning from two sentences. So this is the representation. Past simple is only talking about past, finished actions, and present perfect from past to now. Here you have like some important things like the structure. In present perfect, we need a subject, have or has, depending of the subject that we are talking, and the third form of the verb, which is the past participle tense. And the past simple requires subject and verb. It says ed, but it depends if the verb is regular or irregular, right? For example, play, played, right? Because it's irregular. But with others, for example, eat, ate. So we need to be careful about the past tense that we are going to use here. Also, in past simple, when we are talking about negatives and questions, we need to use did, okay? For example, I didn't do my homework. So we need did and not to make a negation. And the main verb is do, right? But the auxiliary that we use it is did. I didn't do my homework. And for questions, you only need to switch positions. Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? The only thing that you have to do is switch the position, okay? But remember, did is only used with any other verb that is not to be. Because in past simple, we have two forms of verb to be, was and were, depending on the subject. And with those two verbs, we don't need auxiliaries. Remember that to be is the main verb and doesn't need anything to form negations or questions. Only with the rest of the verbs, we need did and negatives and questions. So present perfect is when something happened is not, when something happened is not important. So when do you did the action is not important here. And because you are only referring about something that you did, something that you experienced. I have seen the Eiffel Tower. As you can see, I don't put here when I did it. I just mentioned the action and that's it. But in past simple, when something happened, it's important. Here in past simple, it's really important to put at the time when you did the thing. I see the Eiffel Tower in 2007. Here we are writing the specific time when you did it because it's important. And it's present perfect is for unfinished time period. So you are talking about something that you haven't finished yet, something that it still affects you, something that has connection to now. For example, I have eaten 10 pizzas this week. Maybe this week is not finished yet. So you are talking about things that you have done, things that you are continue doing because it's unfinished. But here in past simple is for finished time. I ate 15 pizzas last week. So last week finished and it died. So the connection is not with the present. Also with present perfect, you talked about achievements, accomplishments, and experiences. As I said, present perfect is basically for that. Your life is still there. You are not dying. So you are experiences, things, and achievements and everything. So you are talking about your life in present perfect. I have written 2 books and run 6 marathons, but I have never climbed a mountain. So as you can see here, we are talking about different experiences, things that we have lived in our lives, things that we haven't done in our lives. But in past simple, you are talking about past, okay? Something that you did and something that happened, and that's it. I was born in England and grew up in Germany. I played the piano for 10 years, but I hate it. So you are only talking about your past. So you born just once in life. You don't born 3, 4, 5 times, only one time. That's why you are talking about your past, and you were talking about when you grow up. And basically that's it. So that's the difference. Present perfect is for connections with the present, with experience in your life, and past simple is talking about your past and when you did something, because here in past simple it's really important to mention when you did something. And the last thing I want to talk about is some time expressions that indicates if you are using present perfect or past simple. For example, time expression in past simple are yesterday, last week, 6 months ago, and in specific years or specific times. So this indicates that the action started in the past and finished in the past. For example, my computer crashed last week. So last week already passed. So this time marker indicates that the action finished and it started and finished in the past. But here in present perfect, we have some time expression like just, recently, ever, never, already, yet, since, so far, and how long. All those indicates that the action started in the past and continues to the present. For example, I haven't uploaded the program yet. So yet indicates that the action is not finished, okay? And for example, we are using for here. I have been here for 2 years. So for indicates a period of time that haven't finished. So you have to pay attention here with time expression that we use in both tenses in order to indicate when you finish an action and with the action affects you till the present.